Hi there, Dori Soukup here with another issue of InSPAration Moments. Now, usually I start by saying Happy April, Happy Easter, things to be happy about. But unfortunately, we're all going through this crazy period of dealing with the coronavirus. The fact is that this pandemic that we're dealing with is bringing a lot of challenges to every single medical spa and spa wellness center in the country. But you know what? We really need to be positive and think that there is a light at the end of the tunnel. So I'm dedicating this issue to helping you navigate through the challenges that many of you are currently faced with. We have made a commitment as a company to keep you informed and to help you navigate through these challenging times. The coronavirus has motivated me to launch a new nonprofit association called Global Med Spa Association, short GMA. The purpose is to help the industry unite, educate, and grow. So in this issue, you'll find an invitation to join me for a complimentary webinar. This webinar is part of a new series called MAPS. It's an acronym that I'll go over with you in the Dori Recommends section. But to register for this webinar, go to InSPArationManagement.com and you'll see it right there on the home page so you can register. Another way to see that webinar is going to be on YouTube, so make sure that you go to the YouTube channel and subscribe and ring the bell. So every time I launch a video during this period, then you'll be able to actually get a notification saying that we have just published a brand new video. So go on YouTube and subscribe to the InSPAration Management channel, so this way we can keep you posted to all the things that you need to do. All right? So sounds good. Now, in the featured article, I wrote an article for you called Business Unusual, because it truly is unusual times that we're going through. So in that article, I'm going to be sharing with you how to implement disruption management and help you design a strategic recovery plan from the coronavirus. In the Bright Idea, I'm doing another complimentary webinar because I figured you have a lot of time on your hands right now. So I have invited a friend and a colleague, Jacqueline Perasetsky, to actually join me on a webinar so we can help your aesthetic team sharpen the saw and generate more revenue for your business. Jacqueline is the Skin Perfect University founder, and together we're going to get on a webinar to help you sharpen the saw with your estheticians so they can deliver a much better experience and help you generate a lot more revenue. So read more about that in the Bright Idea and register to join us for that webinar. In the Dori Recommends, this is the series that I was just telling you about that we are launching through the Global Med Spa Association. This series is called MAPS, and it's an acronym to help you navigate through this entire nightmare that we're going through. So this is our contribution to help the industry. We will be publishing special videos to help you manage and lead your employees in this uncertain environment. We'll keep you informed with the best practices and effective communication with your clients and your team so they're staying in the loop. We're also adding another new section in the newsletter, and that's highlighting one product of the month. The product of the month in this issue is the Optic Slim. Since we're talking about estheticians and consultation, so what I would like to do is make sure that everybody has some kind of an analysis equipment, so when you are emerging from this little situation that we're going through, you can actually set up your consultation department and be able to generate a lot more revenue from it. So you need an analysis machine. So in the product highlight, you will find a link where you can go and visit the Optic Slim site and see how they can help you. They do have a special offer for the InSPAration Management community, so make sure you ask them about that. As for those of you who signed up for the super conference that we were planning on having in Dallas during the month of April, due to all these happenings and unforeseen situation that we're faced with, we are rescheduling the super conference for another date. Not to worry, we're definitely gonna have that super conference. It's just gonna have to be postponed to a later date to keep us all safe and make sure that we're following the protocols that we all need to follow. So stay tuned and we'll notify you as soon as it's safe to host events again. Keep in mind, changes are difficult, but you know what? You've always survived certain challenges and you should survive this one too. You just have to be smart, you have to be innovative, and you have to stay positive. That's my advice to you. So make sure you read the article, and that way it can help you start a path to the right mindset and to help you recover from this situation and come out smelling like a rose or doing that much better. So hang in there and say special prayers for all of us. Until next time, stay inspired.